Over recent years, invasive plant species have been sprouting throughout the Sturgeon River watershed. The Dickinson Conservation District is beginning to survey the area in an effort to stop the infestations. TV6's Iron Mountain Kingsford Bureau reporter Beth Cephalou shows us what's being done about it.
We Energy's Mitigation Enhancement Fund has given the Dickinson Conservation District a grant to conduct an invasive species survey and management project in the Sturgeon River watershed.
We suspected that there were a fair amount of invasive species up in that area. It's a high-quality habitat area.
Common buckthorn, Japanese barberry, and autumn olive are only a few of the more common invasive species that Sturgeon River watershed landowners have spotted sprouting in the recent years. Project manager Ann Herska says the infestations are a result of ornamental planting.
If you plant it anywhere near a forested land, it tends to escape. And this is something we've only just realized in the last several years.
Ann says these plants are capable of completely consuming a forest and are threatening the native ecosystem.
When you lose even the smallest members of the ecosystem, the wildflowers that are on the forest floor, you disrupt the food chain in a whole bunch of ways that you can't even hardly picture.
Taylor Jean is one of the field technicians hired to start conducting the land surveys. He travels by foot and kayak to identify, quantify, and map the infestations.
When we see an invasive species, we get out of the kayak, we take a GPS point so that we can put it on the map later.
Taylor will document approximately 50 miles of river corridor this summer, then prioritize which areas to treat first.
We're going to analyze the map and see where the most problem areas are, and those are the areas that we're going to assess with the treatment.
Treating the infested areas is only half the battle. The staff will have to continue to monitor them in order to preserve a sustainable ecosystem. I'm Beth Cephalou with TV6 News in Iron Mountain.